I'm at Dollar Tree and I'm going to show you how to treat some of your GLP side effects for cheap. Oh, I hit the mother load. So here are some of the products that you can use. So for some people, they get pretty significant constipation. So here you go. Here is bisacodyl. This is the generic for the Dulcolax. So bisacodyl 5 milligrams, that's the active ingredient in the brand name Dulcolax, so much cheaper to do this. No, I guess if you're really bunged up, you can kind of do the shotgun approach. Here's an enema for you. So simethicone is anti-gas. It's the same active ingredient that's in Gas X, so this is an option for you. Some people that are on GLPs, they get pretty significant belching and flatulence and farting. So this helps with the bloating, the pressure, and the discomfort. So 15 soft gels for $1.25, not too bad. This here is bismuth. This is the generic that is in Pepto-Bismol. So same active ingredient, bismuth subsalicylate, $5.25, as you can see right there. Good for relief for diarrhea, upset stomach, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, right? So here's another option that might help you. This is an antiemetic, so if somebody's feeling like they want to throw up, this medication might be helpful for you. Meclizine 25 milligrams. This is the same that's in Dramamine less drowsy. If you're unfortunate enough to be vomiting significantly after you start a GLP, this might be helpful for you. This is the same active ingredient that's in Pedialyte, but it's significantly cheaper. This is $1.25, so keep a couple around the house. And finally, I think this is a very good deal. This is $1.25, 55 chewable tablets. This is the same active ingredients in Tums, calcium carbonate. So somebody's having like heartburn, upset stomach, and indigestion, this can help you.